how to add reviews to Wix. So the first step is to simply go to add apps, and then here we're gonna have to simply look for reviews. So simply search for reviews, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so let's go back here. So I'm gonna choose only reviews, and now as you can see here we have these apps. So we're gonna use this one here from Fera, and the next step is to simply click on add to site, and the next step is to simply click on agree and add. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply create, as you can see, you need to publish your site. So as you can see, your website app is not to be published yet, so you can't install any apps. Please publish your site again and try again. So you're gonna have to simply publish our Wix website. And now let's try again. Let's see if it's working now. So as you can see now, we're gonna add Fera reviews. So basically we're gonna be able to add the reviews to our products, and people can leave also reviews to these products if you want. So this is very interesting. So let's wait until this loads up, and that should be all. So of course you can simply change the design of these reviews. You can change the colors based on your theme, on your website theme if you want. So let me close this one here, and now let's wait until this loads up. So it's gonna take a little bit because it's the first time that I'm installing this app on this new Wix website, and basically that should be all. So I just refreshed the page, and as you can see here on the left side, now we have the app installed. So as you can see, we have the products here, and now we should have here the app. So let's see, let's click on apps, and then here we should see Fera. So as you can see, manage apps, and then here we have our Fera review. So we need to complete the setup of the app. So as you can see, we got redirected to Wix settings, and as you can see, we have Fera reviews. So basically now we're gonna have to create our Fera account, but I'm gonna skip this. So let's enter our first name and last name, and as you can see, we can simply import reviews from different websites such as AliExpress, Trustpilot, etc. So as you can see, you're gonna have to choose the theme. So I'm gonna pick this one here, and then simply click on skip. And as you can see, if you want, you can also upgrade if you want a paid plan with more settings, etc. So now we should have our account set up, and now we're gonna have to simply import. You're gonna have to either import them from AliExpress or any other apps, or people can simply leave reviews to your products. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.